If you have a collection on your credit report, do not pay it yet. There are 4 legal methods to remove it completely, and banks are counting on you not knowing a single one. A single collection account can drop your score by 100 points. That means denied mortgages, higher interest rates, and thousands of dollars in extra payments every year. Banks know the rules. They're counting on you paying blindly. That ends today. 79% of credit reports contain at least one error. That means the collection on your report might not even be legitimate. And here's the trap. Most people see a collection and immediately call to pay. The moment you make that payment, without a written deletion agreement, the collector pockets your money and the collection stays on your report, sometimes for another 7 years. That's not an accident. That's the system working exactly as designed against you. Here are the 4 legal methods, ranked easiest to hardest, that actually get collections removed. Method 1. The Debt Validation Letter. Under the FDCPA, the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, every collector is legally required to prove the debt is yours and the amount is accurate. You have 30 days from first contact to demand this in writing. If they can't prove it, they must remove it. Send it certified mail only. Never call. Written proof is everything. Method 2. Dispute directly with all 3 credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. If the information is inaccurate, outdated, or can't be verified within 30 days, the bureau is required by law to delete it. This is completely free. You can file online right now. File all 3 simultaneously. Same day, keep every confirmation. Method 3 is the one banks really don't want you to know. Pay for delete. If you do owe the debt and they can prove it, do not just pay the balance. Before you send a single dollar, get a written agreement that they will delete the collection from all 3 credit reports upon payment. Get it in writing. Before you negotiate anything, you need to see your real report, not the watered-down free version. Your full FICO scores from all 3 bureaus in one place. That's the difference between negotiating blind and negotiating with actual leverage. I use my FICO. It's the only service that gives you the exact same FICO scores lenders actually pull when you apply for a loan. Not an estimate, the real number. The link is in the description. Pull your report first, then negotiate from power. Here's the exact script. Say this: I'm willing to settle this debt in full in exchange for written confirmation that this account will be permanently deleted from all 3 credit bureau reports upon payment. That's it. Say nothing else. Let them respond. Method 4 is for collections you already paid. The goodwill deletion letter. Send a letter to the original creditor, not the collection agency, explaining the debt was a one-time hardship that you've since paid and requesting they remove the entry as a goodwill gesture. This works more often than people expect, especially if you had a strong payment history before the default. Address it to Executive Customer Relations, not the collections department. Big difference. Now, here's the trap that destroys people. Every debt has a statute of limitations, typically 3 to 7 years depending on your state. Once that expires, collectors cannot legally sue you. But the moment you make a payment, even $1, you reset that clock. You just handed them new legal power over you. Check your state's statute of limitations before you make any payment. Any payment. Here's the exact order. Step 1. Pull your full report via MyFICO. Link below. Step 2. Check your state's statute. Step 3. Send the debt validation letter. Step 4. Dispute inaccuracies with all 3 bureaus. Step 5. Only negotiate pay for delete if the dispute fails. Follow this sequence. Don't skip steps. People remove collections every day using exactly this. You have the legal right. Use it. Now, if you have 3 or more active collections and this feels overwhelming, there is a second option. A debt settlement program can negotiate all of them at once, sometimes settling for 50 cents on the dollar. I'll link what I recommend below, but only if you have multiple active accounts. Otherwise, use these 4 methods yourself. This channel posts one of these legal money fights every single week. Banks spend millions making sure you don't know this. Subscribe so you never miss one. And if you're dealing with a specific collection situation, drop it in the comments. I read every one. This is Finance Defense. Every resource I mentioned, MyFICO, the debt settlement option, is linked in the description below. I'll see you in the next one.